Hi, my name is Muhamad Irffan bin Roslan. My matrix number is 24DAM, 21F and 2009.
My name is Muhamad Azrin Nizam, matrix number 24DAM, 21F 2007.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhamad Nabil bin Tajul.
First, the introduction to differentiation. Differentiation allows us to find rate of change. For example, it allows us to find the rate of change of velocity with respect to time, which is acceleration. It also allows us to find the rate of change of x with respect to y, which on a graph, y against x is the gradient of the curve. To put it simple, y equals some function of x. In other words, y is equal to an expression containing number and x. Then the derivative of y with respect to x is written dy dx. For example, y equal to 2x squared equal to derivative of y, or dy dx equal to 4x.
Technician sent a complaint about a portable water tank in the aircraft is leaking. Then an authorized personnel went to the aircraft to check the leakage problem. Due to a very confined spaces, he can only measure tank volume in order to determine whether the tank is leaking or not. In order for him to do so, he will need to use the rate of change concept.
For my part, I'm going to explain the solution for this problem. The water tank is being constant rate of 20 liters per second. The width of the tank is 1 meter. The length is 2 meters. What is the change of height of water in the tank? The volume of water in the tank is given by volume equals to width times length times height. We know the rate of change of the volume dV over dt equals to 20 liters per second. We need to find the rate of change of the height of water, which is dH over dt. V and H are function of the time. So first of all, we need to differentiate the formula given, which is we get the answer is dV over dH equals to width times length. Next, going to invert dV over dH into dH over dV, so we can substitute into the chain rule formula, which is we get 1 over width times length. So the formula of chain rule we get in this question is dH over dt equals to dV over dt times dH over dV. Lastly, we need to substitute the dH over dV into the formula, chain rule formula, which is the final answer we get. dH over dt equals to dV over dt times 1 per width times length.
We need to convert liter into cubic meter and meter into cm as follows. 1 liter is equal 1000 centimeter cube, and 20 meter is equal 20,000 centimeter cube. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter, 2 meter is equal 200 centimeter. We now evaluate the rate of change of the height of the water. dH over dt is equal dV over dt times 1 over weight and the length. dH over dt is equal 20,000 centimeter cube per second times 1 over 100 centimeter times 200 centimeter, which is the width and the length. dH over dt is equal 20,000 centimeter cube per second over 20,000 centimeter square. So the final answer would be dH over dt is equal 1 centimeter per second. This means that the water increases by 1 centimeter in every second.
In conclusion, the rate of change can calculate the volume and area that can make it easier for aircraft technicians to identify leaks and occur on the water tank. Rate of change calculation is very important in life, such as calculating the volume of a water tank that has a narrow and confined space.